we've done well. We've moved from physical to virtual, and we're all having the same team meetings, and we're all going to events, and we're doing everything really well because we've understood that actually the technology out there means we can have many people in a room listening to someone, like having conversations. So that's great, and we can all give ourselves a little pat on the back. But let's also stop and think about it and realise actually we are all missing that physical live environment. We're missing the energy in the room, we're missing the interaction with each other. And however much we try and replicate it on the virtual platform, it's not the same. It's not the same. And the sooner that we accept this, the sooner we can move forward. And the sooner we can start seeing the positives we can start seeing the benefits of the virtual world. Because the weird thing about it is that actually, although we're many miles apart, the virtual webinar, the virtual showcase, the virtual event is somehow more intimate than that live event. You can see the whites of the eyes, you can see the faces of every single person there, you can see when they're engaged and when they're switched off. And yet, do we really get this? When as an event organiser, as a meeting planner, as whoever we are we actually thinking about this when we're planning that event? Because we have this plethora of different types of meetings going on in the virtual world. And we have numerous of these being sent to us every single day. But how many of them stand out? How many of them are truly unique? And I suggest that's because we are still in the mindset of trying to replicate what we had live to virtual. And I'm saying now's the time, now's the opportunity for the event organiser, the meeting planner, the team leader to be thinking about how best to exploit the technology of virtual in a whole new context. In a context of it being, this is a platform which gives us an advantage because we can actually be intimate with the people in the room, and we can really get down into the nitty-gritty and have those conversations which maybe you can't have in that live setting. And so I say to all of us out there, let's use it now, let's push forward, and let's actually use the technology in the best way possible to suit the technology and to suit the attendees in that room, rather than just trying to replicate what we previously had.